Hi, today I'm going to show the demo how to register for CIS Data Foundation exam, because CIS Data Foundation exam will be end free session for the 30/6/2026. So from July onwards, it's a completely paid service. Maybe the paid service includes $300 to $400 between that. So meanwhile, today or tomorrow, please apply as early as possible. Uh, it's a mandatory certification for the Discovery or CMDB for all relevant ITOM. So please apply as early as possible. And meanwhile, for that, log into the email ID I'm adding. Praveen7@gmail.com, and fill the all mandatory details: first name, last name, Praveen Kumar. Country code is India. India. State is Andhra Pradesh. Password. And confirm with password. And here I'm not robot. So here select all images with a bus. Click verify on left. So we need to verify with the bus. This is the bus. Then I am signing up. No thanks. So we need to check with the our email address. Then next. Oh, yes. So verify email. Then sign in. Skip. No need of authentication. Here the login with ServiceNow University. Accept. Accept and proceed. Here explore catalog. Here we need to check with the view enter catalog. And here for we need CIS Data Foundations. CIS Data Foundation. Here we need to click on here. Here register for exam. Please click on this. Here register now. Praveen Amenani. Confirm. Enroll. Schedule now here. How do you want to take your exams in person at test center? If you have interest to visit nearest to test center, that's better way. Or else you can with the online. So I can check with this. Here accept all copies and I'll check with this. Here we need to check if there you need to check with the system requirements. The RAM and sound system and camera they will check with it. And then I'm keeping next. And before writing exam, your ID, photo ID is the most important. Before 30 minutes, you need to log in with this through system. For example, 8 a.m. is their exam. You need to log in with the 7 a.m. That's better way, 7 or 7:30 a.m. Because compatibility system compatibility test will take place. So it will adjust the system to the environment to the application. So without noises and with for a network signal. So it will adjust automatically. So I need to examine English. Then next. Here clicking on that selection. These are the precautions before the test day. And please carefully read these policies. So I'm agreeing here. So next. So this is my Asha Kolkata IST time zone. So here, yes, that's right. That's right, time zone. So my exam will be Tuesday, today, 29th. So tomorrow I will schedule exam. So this slot is available 8:15 to 9:45. So I'm taking this appointment. Or I will change my appointment. July 1st. July 19th, I'm selected. Book this appointment. Yes, appointment booked at the 12:30, 13. So the total time is 90 minutes. So I'm keeping the next. So submit data. So if you need to run system test, that's better way. Add to your calendar, Google. So it's already added to the calendar. July 19th, 12:30 p.m. to 2:30 p.m. So like this way, we can register the easy way. So if you are facing any issues or any doubts, please contact me in the comment section. Thank you. Wish you all the best.